So I'm going to do the unboxing and then the review. So, it is from SugarFace. It says, "Hey Sugar Babe, glad we could take this relationship to the next level. We hope you enjoyed our first Beverly Hills inspired collection, Heartbreak Drive. We have always had a passion for traveling and experiencing different cultures. During our travels, we realized that in each region, there are so many unique ingredients and skincare secrets they hold. Our mission is to bring these wonders into products to make your life a little better and bring wellness to your skin. It will thank you later. Looking forward to hearing from you and using your feedback in our future products. The SugarFace team. Made in LA, cruelty-free, vegan-friendly." So, I am going to be trying these out today because if you don't know, I'm pregnant. And my face has been, you can see, it's extremely dry, extremely horrible. So I'm gonna try these out. So I have here the SugarFace Don't Want to Be My Ex Seaweed Fortifying Mask. And the SugarFace Fresh Start Hydrating Barrier Cream. So I'm going to try, oh, and that's it in the box. So I'm going to try out the mask, and I have my face cloth. I normally use it for removing makeup, but so it says, "This is the face mask you've been looking for. Our all-in-one fortifying treatment does a deep dive beneath the surface to extract excess oil and flush out impurities, leaving your face renewed. Thank us later. Instructions is to apply a small amount to clean dry skin, avoid eye area. I cannot talk today. Ugh. Leave on for 10 to 15 minutes. Rinse with warm water. Follow with the moisturizer. Use it twice a week." So today is Friday, and you know, I'll use it again Sunday or something. Or, yeah, whatever. So, okay. This is the top. It's like a broken heart. Of course, it's called Don't Want to Be My Ex. So, you know. I think it's really, really cute. This, you know, it's covered on the top. It is 1.7 fluid ounces. So, oh, it smells pretty fresh and clean. So I'm just gonna wipe the rest of this off here. Sorry, sliding down. And trash it. So I left my spreader, so I don't know what's that. So I'm just gonna use my fingers. Don't think there's anything wrong with that. So I'm just gonna put it on. It feels like a cream more than like a mask. I was thinking it'll be like clay, kind of. Sorry if you hear the TV in the background. My fiance is in there watching the Joe Budden podcast. We just got back from breakfast or brunch. We went to IHOP because that's what the baby wanted. That's what we're going to say. So I'm just like smoothing this all over, starting with like my nose area first, because that's what's dry. Like, a lot of people have been saying, like, oh, you're glowing. And I'm like, my skin is horrible right now. Like, I don't see this baby glow at all. Like, pregnancy glow. I'm not seeing it. I'm going to set my timer. Okay, yes, I know. For 15 minutes. See? So. Okay, so it's been 15 minutes. It just feels like it's seeped into my skin. It's not tight or dried or anything. So, it says to rinse with warm water and then follow with the moisturizer. So, of course, I have the moisturizer. So, this says it is an ultra moisturizing cream that will leave your skin smooth and refined for a full 24-hour wear. Acting as a barrier between your skin and makeup, our active azulin and other herbal ingredients nourish your skin and create a flawless canvas for makeup application. I'm not putting on any makeup application today. The instructions say after cleansing and toner, gently massage into skin and dry skin. Gently massage into clean and dry skin. I told y'all I can't talk today. Massage into clean and dry skin. Gently massage in circular motions. Apply under moisturizer and use daily. This is going to be my moisturizer. So, this is how it looks. Of course, it's called Fresh Start. Press the button, start. So, yeah, because I have a super, super dry skin. Yeah, it says tone my face, but I don't know where my toner is. So, I'm not going to tone my skin. I'm just going to wash this off my face and then put on the cream. Sorry y'all, but this tickle is like satisfying my mommy cravings right now. And this is not warm, this is hot. Okay, this is warm. This is good. Okay. So let's use this side. So I definitely Max wants to be Max. All right, my face feels clean. Still got something there. I don't know what that is. Feels cleaner, brighter. This is the barrier cream. Hydrating barrier cream. I need something hydrating. Ooh. This is my first time opening this, and it's a little messy. So, not sure of that, but I want to make sure that I scrape off any extra cream. Toss it. So, this is how it looks. A little jelly. So, yeah. Ooh, this is kind of jelly. Oh, feels really nice. So, let's see. So, what I'm gonna do is just take this and just dab it on my face. Just to remove the excess, because I definitely used too much. I didn't know that this was one of those a lot goes along, a little goes along with things. Alright, so there's still some on my face. Let's do a little close up here. My face feels moisturized, feels soft, and I kind of feel like I got that pregnancy glow. But it's crazy I had to get it from these products. But definitely love this. My face feels clean. It looks clean. And this just feels super moisturizing. Oh, it's a little tingly on my face. Feels really good. So I would definitely recommend you guys go get this. Click the link below in the description box to order yours from my affiliate page. And go get you some SugarFace products. Alright guys, see you later.